Hi, by this time, if you are watching this video means I feel that you have seen the first video. If you are not seen that video means please watch that first video first, so that you will have a clear understanding about how the Java file is compiled and those things and all will be helpful. Now in this uh, video, you are going to learn about how to develop a program using Eclipse and some Java programs I have taken from the ChatGPT. With that, I have implemented some programs also. Use that. Use that knowledge. There, I clicked on Java project, and I'm specifying this a project name. Java learning I mentioned here. Okay, Java learning I mentioned here. And now what I want to write one class. So what I did, and always SRC is there. And in SRC, I'm going to write a Java class. So I'm writing a class here. So I want to write some student class. Student, I mentioned here, student. So as I'm saying, for this class, I want to have the public static void main method also. Then I'm specifying the public static method. And I mentioned here, and this is my public static void main method. So here what I'm going to use, I'm going to write a small student class. Okay. And so on student, when I say the student, what are the variables will be there? What are the properties will be there? For the student, and we'll have, okay, for the student, we'll have, since you know all the data types and all, I'm not going for the two basics of it. Are you from computer science student? Are you from computer science?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, then I'm not going to pay what is integer, what is the blind and all. I'm not going to do. If at all, if you require, you just chat GPT, you'll get all the things, sir. I want to
Yeah.
you to learn the programming.
Sure.
Okay, and so now what I'm doing, so I want to write a student class and all. So what I'm going to do, I need something like name. I should have it, and I want to have the name. So name I'm going to store in the variable, and one is the name is there, employee student ID is there, student ID. Okay, and age will be there. Three variables are there. With the three, this is the variables. Three variables are there. Okay, and now this is my class. How do you create an object? I just declare the variables, and this is object level variables. And you may be thinking that I am writing the main method, and C language will have main method starting program. In the same way, if it's Java program is there, if you want to start, you will have public static void method. Okay. One second, I just need to drink water. Okay. This is my, and I have three variables. I can optimize this code. I mean, like easily I can get the variables, and I'm not going to do the tough the things. Okay, simple way I'm teaching you. Public static void main string is there. Now I want to create an object. I want to create an object. I have declared the class. So always class public static void main public will be there. So that is because if any class is there, if you okay, this is for main method is required, and I'll talk about why public is there, why it is a private. Those things I'll talk, and this is the variable type kind. This is the different kind of variables I declared, and this is public static void main method is there. So now what I'm doing, creating an object, and I'm creating an object. How do I create an object? I need to have the class. I need to have the variable. So one student I wanted to one student object I want to create. So I mention S1 is equal to new, and class name I'm going to mention, and internally it is going to create an object. It is when I did this thing internally, the student class having object. The student class having object. Sir, you are saying that I'm not able to see something internally you are going to show. Can you show me? You may ask me to show you that. Let's say I have created a student class in this place, right? Okay. This Java class stored different place and this Java class is stored here only. The where course Java, that location it is there. I want you to see that. So Java P is there and the student is there. And I typed here. When I typed, I can see the constructor. See, student constructor is there. Are you there with me, right?
It's a free define, right? Predefined.
It is a predefined class.
Yeah.
It is there here internally. Okay. And so now this is the student class and all. Now I mentioned the student class. This is the student class and all. Okay. And so now I have created this thing and I can see this is the student and all. And this is the student and all I mentioned. So now what is this thing? And so now I have given here student is there. See? Student is there. And now what I wanted to shock. So now, so internally, that is the reason I'm mentioning the student. S1 is there, new is there. And this student, for this thing also, they'll be having one structure. That is the reason when I do, it is going to create an object.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And so now, now what I'm going to take that this is the student class and all. This is the student class. Now what I am going, it is going to create an object. When you do this thing, it is going to, what is going to do internally, I'm going to talk now. I am literally standing sometime not to rush some code, okay? And slowly I'll improve my speed also. And if you are, I'm going, okay, when you executed, that time what is going, it is going to create an object in the JVM. JVM
Yeah.
means Java heap memory.
Virtual
How?
machine.
Virtual machine. Yeah, sorry. Java JVM means Java virtual machine. In that, you will have a heap memory is there in the JVM.
Mm.
Okay, JVM. And in that one area is there, that is the heap memory is there. In the heap memory, objects will be there, and the same thing, cache memory, those things and all will be there. So in this thing, in the heap memory, let's say assume that it is my heap, it is under my heap. So internally, what is going to create an object? It is going to create an object. And it will, when you create an object, it is going to create a name like this. It is going to create a name like this, and it is going to mention as a one variable S1 like this. And it will have a different variables like name, SID, age like this. Will be defining it. So I can invoke these variables S1 dot. I can invoke like this S1 dot name and S1 dot SID and S1 dot age like this. I can invoke. Okay, I can invoke like this. Okay. Now I'm going to invoke. I said I am going to invoke. Na? I'm going to print system.out.println. And what I'm doing, S1 dot name system.out.println and S1 dot okay SID system.out.println. Okay, and another I'm on call. Okay,
Part
S1 dot age is there. Okay, and I'm typing here and I'm executing this code. and I'm running this code, and I'm running here, and by default it's showing you null. The reason because string is the null, string by default variable is the null, values are null. That is the reason it is printing all as a null. Sir, if I define these variables as something, will it come as a different values? Means if you ask me, yes, it is going to come in the different values. S1 dot name is equal to something n, and S1 dot sid, and is equal to S1 dot age is equal to, okay, I'm running this code. As soon as I run this code, I'm going to, so whatever I define, I got this thing, name 12, like this, I got it, right? So this is about class declaration, how you are going to write, and I'll give some assignments, write some, some classes and all. I'll give, I hope you enjoyed these programs. If you want more and more programs to you to do practice, I have kept few programs in the description box. You can access the link and you can practice that programs. If you are getting any errors, please comment those program errors. I will try to answer them. If you feel these videos are useful for you, please share these videos with anyone, and also don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment. Thank you so much for watching.